Greetings YouTube, Lion Unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumbs Gardening channel. In this video, we just want to give you guys a quick look at our dandelion forest field, or whatever you want to call it, over here in our backyard before we mow it under. And I know there's a lot of you guys out there saying right now, oh no, not dandelion, don't mow it under, don't destroy it. But rest assured YouTube, we've already harvested quite a amount of this dandelion. We already did a lot of research on it, and we know all of the benefits that it has. So we already harvested quite a amount of that dandelion over there. But we want to give you guys a quick look at what it looks like over there before we mow it under. Every year it comes back, and every year there's more and more and more over here. So this year, before I actually mowed it in, I want to give you guys a quick look at how abundantly it grows here in my backyard. Hang tight. All right, YouTube, this is my trusty mower, and we're about to take down all of this dandelion we have back here in our backyard. But before we do that, just take a look, YouTube. Look at that. As far as you can see, going down this fence line in my backyard, we have dandelion after dandelion after dandelion, and look at it. It's freaking everywhere, YouTube. And again, we do know the medicinal benefits of dandelion and everything that it can be used for. So what we're gonna do is, again, go ahead and mow this under. This is the only part of our lawn we haven't mowed back here in the back. And the only reason, again, we didn't mow it up to this point is because when we wanted to give you guys a look at just how abundantly this dandelion grows back here in our backyard. And if there's anybody out there who needs some dandelion, wants some dandelion, let me know. I'll be more than willing to ship you guys some of this. Again, I harvested quite a bit of it, and if there's anybody out there who can't grow it, don't have an adequate supply or a ready source of dandelion, just let me know, because this is actually not the only spot this dandelion grows in my yard. I've already mowed a little bit of it down on the other side of the yard. It doesn't grow as abundantly over there as it does over here. So again, want to find a look at all this dandelion back here in my backyard, YouTube, before I mow them under. I'm surrounded, YouTube, by dandelion. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see in this video, please remember to hit that like, subscribe, and the notification button below this video. Thanks, YouTube.